Alright, here we have a 2006 Nissan Exterra, and I just did a water pump job on it. I've seen a few videos on YouTube about this, but I didn't see any videos about the problems that you would come across. So I figured this might help somebody. If not, then oh well. But alright, my issue, I got everything to come out fine. Took out the intake, took out the fan and the fan clutch, got all my bolts separated, took the covers off to the water pump and the chain tensioner, pulled this tensioner off, blah blah blah. There's other YouTube videos to show you how to do that, but I'm trying to show you what can go wrong and what happened to me. Alright, so if you can see, there's two little bolts on this tensioner. Alright, and the tensioner itself, there's a pin, like a big fat pin that rods up against the plastic piece. Alright, and it's hard to see, but there's a little bitty, like a little metal clip that holds the piston or whatever you want to call it, the little pin inside the tensioner. Well, I'm using a little Allen key. There's a little pinhole on this pin. I don't know if you can see it, but if you can take a flathead screwdriver, compress this little piston while squeezing this little bitty baby clip, you can compress it. Once it's compressed, I would recommend not using an Allen, but something like this that won't fall into here, because this is where the timing chain is, and that's the issue. I tried pulling the tensioner out without using something in that little pinhole. The whole little piston or pin just ejected out of the thing and dropped straight down into here. So for the past 2 hours I've been trying to fish it out with this, and it sucked so bad. But that being said, I'm gonna tell you how I went about doing it to actually get mine out. So I couldn't tell exactly where the bolt was in there, or the pin. So what I did was I took my phone, took it out of the case, and without the tensioner in there, you have room to fit your phone in there. So what I did was I put it on video, all right? And then if you cover your lens, the light comes on, like your flash. Start the video. I stuck my camera at an angle in here, looked down inside the engine, and once I located where the pin was, that was how I used my magnet to fish it out. But I had to locate where it was first because I couldn't find it. It was bad. It was bad. But I figured I would post that because I haven't seen anyone else have that issue. So watch out for that. That dude right there.